Good morning children and welcome again to e-learning classes on behalf of Modern English School. I myself Anjana Dikshit from New Area Senior Way. Children, this video is for class 8 and today we shall read lesson 6, which is This is Geordie's Farm. Children, this is a very interesting lesson. You will enjoy reading this lesson. But before explaining the lesson, let me tell you a few lines about the writer of this lesson. So now, who is the writer of this lesson? Marjorie Kinnan Rawlings is the writer of this lesson, and who was an American author who lived in rural Florida and wrote novels with rural themes and settings. Her best-known work, The Yearling, about a boy who adopts an orphaned fawn, won a Pulitzer Prize for fiction in 1939 and was later made into a movie of the same name. Now, Marjorie was born on 8th August 1896 in Washington, and she died on 14 December 1953. She was awarded Pulitzer Award for Fiction, John Newbery Medals, etc. Now I shall explain the lesson. This lesson, This is Geordie's Fawn, begins with Geordie being unable to keep the fawn out of his mind. He expresses his concern to his father, Penny, who was resting as he had just been saved from the death. He was beaten by a snake, and Geordie killed a doe to use its heart and liver to extract poison out of his father. Geordie is emotionally preoccupied with the fawns whose mother had to be killed to save his father's life. He wonders what will happen to the little fawn left without a mother. The story highlights values such as love, care, justice, and concern for living beings. And what is the moral of this story? The moral of this story is love and compassion are necessities without which humanity cannot survive. True compassion means not only feeling another's pain but also being moved to help relieve it. The lesson This is Geordie's Fawn begins with Geordie being unable to keep the fawn out of his mind. He expresses his concern to his father, Penny, who was resting as he had just been saved from death. He was bitten by a snake, and Geordie killed a doe to use its heart and liver to extract poison out of his father. The doe had a fawn, and Geordie was worried about it. He wanted to bring it home and raise it. Penny thought it would be ungrateful to them to leave the fawn to starve, and thus he agreed. Next, Geordie convinces his mother about the same, who at first is reluctant. But on hearing the views of Melville and Doc, Wilson agrees to let Geordie bring it home. She was okay with it if Geordie would give it his share of milk, and they had nothing else to feed the fawn. Melville gave Geordie a ride to his horse. And suddenly Geordie realized he did not want company. He was happy to go into the forest to find the fawn. Understood? Now, next I will explain the remaining part of this lesson tomorrow in the next video. You will read this yourself. That's all, children. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay home. Stay safe.